Hey, what's going on, guys? What's up? It's Tony here hanging out with you today. And we're going to be talking about Andy, the good old Andy coins on pretty much four of the main chains. We're going to talk about which ones are the originals, the oldest, and we're going to get into some charting as well. Um, Shit. Quickly, if you guys can just type in the chat and let me know if the audio is okay. Um, just give me some feedback quickly. Hold on, let me see. I'm on streaming. Let me know if you guys can see my screen. I'm going to share my screen in just a bit and comment. Let me know if you guys can hear me, see me, all that stuff. This is the first time streaming on this crypto channel in a while, and I'm testing out StreamYard. So I really appreciate it if you guys can just like give me some feedback down below as you're watching this replay or whatever. But we're gonna get into Andy coin. Like I love it. It's an amazing meme coin. I think tons of potential. Let's see if I can share. Let's see if I can share my screen here. Share screen. Maybe we'll do it something like this. Okay. Window, entire screen. Yeah, we can just do my entire screen. So here we go. All right. So why Andy? Well, Brett on base has been mega taking off, right? I'm sure if you know about Andy, you know about Brett, right? That's why we're all here. Okay. Brett literally went from nothing back in February, okay, all the way up to a $1.7 billion market cap at the moment. Let me see. I might have to just pull this up on deck screener. It's not showing market cap here right now. But we went as high as, we just tagged 1880, almost 19 cents. Let me pull up Bread on base here so we can get you a market cap. Liquidity 5.7, 4 million 24-hour volume aerodrome. Guess we can pull this one up here. Let's take a look at the market cap quick. So we are looking at it's a $1.5 billion market cap at the moment on this chart. I think it was high as 1.8, almost hitting $2 billion market cap, and that is huge. And this is the Brett on base. Okay, this is the main one, and if you've been doing any type of research, Coinbase is going to be blowing up this base chain. The wallet just got released. Retail hasn't even gotten in yet. We got, tons of time left in this bull market. We're literally just getting started. You got people, on YouTube and Twitter saying this is going to go to 10 billion, 20 billion, maybe even past 40 billion. Who knows? But this is why we are looking at Andy, because Andy is Brett's homeboy and best friend. I'm going to go ahead and check the video quick to see if we got some people hanging out. And guys, don't forget to type in the chat. Let me know if you guys are seeing this. Oh shit, this is let me know, like type in the chat. Let me know if you guys are seeing this and the audio is good and the screen is good and all that. Let me know. Just type in the chat. Let me know. All right, so let's get into Andy here on Solana. So this is the oldest one on Solana. If we take a look, it got started on March 8th. Okay, so this is the original oldest one on Solana. This is the one you want to like. If you type in Andy, index screener or dex, so there's going to be a bunch of them. I tend to, stay away from all the low liquidity ones with the low volume. Those are the scam ones that are just popping up trying to take your money, right? So you want to look for the oldest one, and this is it on Solana. 12,000 holders, 6.7 market cap, 6.7 million. You got 370,000 volume, right? Not bad volume. And if we take a look at the chart here, it looks like we bottomed out right around here, May 24th, and we're just starting to come back up now. And it's looking good as long as we can hold this trend line here, this white horizontal trend line, which we just pierced, right, by bouncing off of these little lows over here, and we're moving back up. And then we got this upward trend line here. Okay, as long as we stay above this area, I think we're just going to keep going back up. The chart looks pretty healthy to me on Solana. So if you want to take a gamble, I mean, there's four main Andys. We got Solana, we got Blast, we got Base, and we got Ethereum. And we're going to talk about all four today. I actually have a position in all four Andys, but my highest conviction is Base and then Ethereum. Okay, but I think all of these will actually do pretty well. So you're gonna have to just pick where you want to be. Low market cap on Solana. Okay, it might not pump as hard as Base and Ethereum, but you're still gonna get a pump here when everything starts pumping, right? Let's take a look at Andy on Base. So we got a 39 million market cap. Okay, 300,000 volume overnight. And it's actually modeling, and it looks like the Brett chart. If you look at the Brett chart and the Andy chart on Base, they look pretty similar. I might have to refresh here. This is not loading. If you guys like these videos, please comment, hit the thumbs up. Let me know if you like these. I'll do more of these. I don't mind streaming like this daily and hanging out for an hour or so. So take a look at this. So this is Brett. Okay, and let's take a look at Andy. It looks very similar. Brett just had more of a round top here, and then starting to go back up, kind of like an S curve. We look at Andy, it's just a little bit choppier, but it's pretty much doing the same thing, and it looks like we're kind of building a bull flag over here on Andy. If this just goes consolidates sideways for a bit, I think it's just going to keep going back up. We're only at a $40 million market cap on Base, Andy on Base. It looks really, really good. And Andy on Base came out on March 26th. Brett came out February 27th. So about a month earlier. So Brett has a month head start on us, and it's at a $1.5 billion market cap. Andy on Base is only sitting at a $39 million market cap. So this is going to be, I really feel like this one is going to be a big one. I got in at about a penny with Andy on Base. I got in around here. Like 2 months ago. I got in actually 0.012, but I'm actually going to be adding to this in the coming days. I actually added some yesterday. I'm going to be adding more because I believe this is just consolidation here, and then we're just going to pop up the next leg up. It's just going to pop up. So this is Andy on Base. Let's take a look at Ethereum Andy. Well, whatever this one is. Okay, this is ETH. Okay, ETH also looks pretty good. We got a $227 million market cap. All right, so it's a much bigger market cap. I mean, it's only another, it's a 4x to basically a billion, whereas Andy on Base, you got a multiples of a lot more to get to a billion. Pretty much, a 20x away from a billion. Here you got a 4x away to a billion. You know what I mean? So I think there's a lot more upside potential on Base, but who knows? I mean, you never know. The Ethereum can pop as well. And it does look pretty good. It's holding on this little trend line over here. Just kind of touched it. Now we're bouncing. It looks like it could be consolidating out and then for another move higher. So this looks pretty good as well. 16,000 holders, 7 million in volume overnight, 227 million. So this is good. I mean, as long as we hold this trend line and don't dip below, I think if it does go down, we're probably going to see these levels around here, 0.00015. It could come down here. If it breaks that, it could come down to these levels down here. You know, here's another big level around here. If we do come down, but honestly, I don't think we're going to be coming down this low. I think we're just going to consolidate and go up. Let's take a look at Andy on Blast, which I was ready to pull the trigger yesterday. I got preoccupied and I didn't pull the trigger, and we had like a 78% bounce. I also have a position Andy on Blast here. If we take a look at this chart, I was literally looking at this yesterday saying that we're pretty much at a bottoming tail. This little pierce here, I was looking at it right here. I'm like, this looks like a bottoming tail because we came down all the way to 6 cents. And then, boom, overnight, we freaking bazookaed up. How many percent is this? It went as high as 100%. You know, now we are 81% from the low. And I was ready to put a half an ETH or an ETH in at these lows because the chart just looks so good here. I mean, look at that. You know, the next move up, you know, we're going to be coming back up to at least 19 cents at least, and then who knows, we could come all the way back up to 25, maybe even break the previous high and just keep going higher, right? So this, you know, Andy on Blast looks really good as well. I kind of don't want to nibble in now. If we kind of come back down to maybe 10 cents, I'll definitely take a bite at it, but I'm just going to be watching it for now. So there you go. And Andy on Blast, excuse me, was born on March 2nd. So this is the oldest one. If you take a look at the contract code, OXD43 is the one on Blast. And if you guys want any clarification on how to buy these, I can make separate videos. Just let me know. You got to go to Thruster Finance to get this one and basically bridge over to Blast, from Ethereum to Blast. And then same thing for Base. You got to bridge over from Ethereum to Base to basically buy on Base. And then Solana is basically Solana. And then Ethereum is straight up. You just go to Uniswap and get Base on Ethereum. So I don't know. I think they all look good. I have positions in all four. My biggest position is Andy on Base. This is my largest position. I got 5 figures in this position here. And then I got Andy on ETH, close to 5-figure position there. And then Blast, I got about an ETH in this one. And then on Solana, I got a little bag in Solana. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of take a look at the chat here. Is anybody, which Andy has more strength? So I think I kind of just talked about that. You know, as far as volume and strength, I would say the ETH, the Andy on ETH, and the Andy on Base, because you got a lot of volume. You know, $7 million volume here. Base is also at pretty much, I think, combined base volume is a lot higher than this, because you got, you know, it's on Sushi Swap and it's also on Uniswap, and I think the Uniswap is actually trading more volume. So if we go to CoinGecko here, just Andy, I'll show combined Andy on Base right here. I'll show you the combined trading volume 24-hour. We're looking at almost 1 million, 965. So, which is not bad. $1 million in volume on a meme coin, you know, is not bad. So I would say, you know, as far as rankings from my personal preference and point of view, Andy on base I like number one, just because it's right behind Brett, and Brett's at a 1.5 billion and Andy's only at a 40 million, guys. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then Andy on ETH for me. This is the one right here. OX68. This is the original Andy on Ethereum. I don't know why. Every time I switch between these screens, like the freaking chart disappears. There we go. This is ETH Andy, which also looks pretty good. I just feel like you're not going to get as many X's with the ETH versus base, but you never know. This one could climb up to the you know, multiple billions quicker, but who knows, man? I don't know. You know, I do know there's a lot of power and punch behind the base and this one. I mean, you got 7 million volume on this one overnight, you know, on Ethereum, and I think we're just consolidating here for the next leg up. And then you got Blast, I think, is a hidden gem, and the reason why I like Andy on Blast is because Blast is a blockchain, and the color theme is basically black and yellow, and Andy is black and yellow. So Andy on Blast, this is it. You know, and they're doing a lot of things also. You know, they're actually all of the Andys are pretty active on Twitter. If we take a look, they're all pushing and they're all doing something. You know, this one has kind of like a grainy look to it on Blast. And I do think Andy on Blast also has legs, and I think it's going to blow up. I mean, once this bull run really kicks in, like, guys, the bull run hasn't even really kicked in yet. This is like an appetizer. This is like appetizer time in the crypto market. Any news on possible upcoming exchange listings for Andy on base? I don't know at the moment. I'd have to get back to you on that. But let's actually take a look at Andy on base Twitter. I think they were mentioning something about getting on exchanges. Let's take a look. They were saying that there was going to be some big news next week. So I don't think there's any news of it yet, but I did see a post where there was going to be a listing somewhere. I think that is going to be that's the big news. That's what I think. So I'll keep you guys posted. You know, just subscribe to the channel. Like, I am a big Andy fan. Like, I feel like if you missed the boat on Brett, this is going to be a big one. So start accumulating. And I like base because base is easy to transact on. Brett is already the brother homeboy. You know, he's already at $1 billion. I feel like if Brett hits a couple billion, I mean, dude, this guy's got to hit $1 billion. You know, if not, because if you think about it, Brett's at a 1.5 billion, almost hitting 2 billion the other day. Okay. I mean, don't you think his homeboy Andy on base is don't you think people are gonna be like, damn, you know, Brett is at 5 billion. I missed it. Don't you think these guys are just gonna jump on Andy? Like, absolutely. You know, so stack your positions now. I mean, if I were, like I said, I like Andy on base number one. Then I would take a small position or a position in Ethereum. I'm actually pretty much even across Ethereum and base, those two Andys. And I'm going to be actually allocating and deploying more money in these coins. I'm just waiting on the chart, you know, waiting for the right setups and dips to DCA in. You know, and it actually doesn't look bad right now. If you want to deploy some capital on the ETH side, it looks pretty good. And on the base side, I have to refresh. Every time I switch back and forth, the chart disappears. It's kind of frustrating. Is everything loading okay for you guys? Like, let me know down below type in the chat. This one also looks like it's bull flagging, consolidating over here on base. And just remember, like Bitcoin just took a little hit, so everything takes a hit. I mean, just wait until Bitcoin literally starts popping. 100K Bitcoin. Wait till Ethereum starts breaking out, and these coins are gonna fly. Like these coins are gonna absolutely fly. I think within the next couple months, this is gonna be at a $500 million market cap. Within a month or two. Within a month or two, I really feel that Andy on base is gonna 10x. So let's see what happens. And I'm putting more money in, and I'm pretty excited. Let's see. All right, cool. How many people we got watching? One watcher right now. So not many people on at the moment. But anyway, I just want to say thanks for tuning in, Mr. K-Pax. And I'll be making more videos. If you guys are watching the replay like this, like comment down below. Let me know what you think if you like it. I'm going to be going live pretty much this time daily. So what is this East Coast time? So you figure like 4 p.m. Eastern, give or take. Maybe I'll go earlier. But God, I really missed this move. This would have been a good entry. I was looking at this. I mean, honestly, I think if you want to get in on Blast, this actually still looks okay. I would wait for a little mini pullback to maybe 10 cents. We'll see how it goes before grabbing more. So, what else? Yeah, Brett is kind of pulling back nicely as well. Here's Andy on Solana. So if we take a look at Andy on Solana, actually, it kind of looks like we're breaking out, to be honest. If we take a look at it, because we got these trend lines here, it broke above here and it confirmed. Then we went up. Now we're coming back to the scene of the crime down here. So I believe if we come down a little bit more, I mean, this is even a pretty good spot. But if we come back down a little, it did actually earlier today. It came down. It came right back down to the scene of the crime here at 005. This would have been a good buy, a good long right here. Because I feel like, we broke out. We broke out from this area. We're coming back to the scene of the crime, and I think we're just going to bounce back up on Solana. Of course, it all depends on the Solana ecosystem, but I mean, we got kind of like a rounded bottom forming over here. We got a lot of volume. Like you see how we got little volume over here, and then boom, we started to get more volume. I feel like this is just going to pump back up, and we might even see 1 cent to 2 cents from here, and that is, I mean, that's 130 to 200% from here, on Solana. So Solana actually looks pretty good if you want to play. You want to put some money in it. Solana does not look bad, to be honest. So let me go back to my StreamYard, stop sharing screen. And all right, that's pretty much it, guys. Tony Ritchie here hanging out with you today. Hope all is well. I'm in my Bang bus, 40-foot bus here on my piece of property. All I do is trade crypto all day. I'm in meme coins, trade crypto, and I'm a total degenerate as well. What about the Boys Club coin? Honestly, I haven't looked at it. Which one are you talking about? Give me a ticker. We'll take a look at it. I know there's like a lot of derivatives popping up, and I just feel like Brett, Andy, I mean, wolf, you know, you got bird dog, but there's, you know, there's going to be a lot of derivatives, a lot of sub niche coins coming out with communities. Um, I would just say pick your poison, do a lot of research, have conviction, and go in. I mean, that's all we can do, you know. And I put in a lot of research, guys. Like I'm on this shit daily. What's the ticker? What's the ticker? Marquise Mored. What Boys Club coin? So let's take a look. Let's just see. I don't know what the ticker. Give me the ticker. I'm on base over here. Is that the ticker? Boys Club? I guess so. Is this that on you said on base Boys 770 volume? Is this the one? Boys Club 10% 24 hours 770. I'm thinking this is the one you're thinking of. 350,000 holders, 7 million market cap, 428 volume. Actually, I've never looked at this one. It looks pretty pumpy. It looks like it has legs. I just like to, if it's a brand new coin, I kind of like to wait and see what it starts to do first before I hop in. But I mean, hey, if some of you guys got it down here, good for you, because it popped up like a mofo. I mean, it literally went from it did 1,600% returns in literally 5 days since the bottom, and then it came back in, and you're still up 700%, 723%. So I will keep this on my radar. I haven't done a lot of research on it. Are you in or what? Like, let me know. Like, let me know what your position with this, or any intel, any alpha guys. We're here. We're all here to help each other, right? We're all here to hang out, help each other, find some fucking shit, and make some life-changing gains. So I'm gonna follow it. We got 2,000 followers. I believe this is the one you're talking about. Shit. I'm actually not even sharing my screen. What an idiot. I'm gonna share my screen again. Entire screen. I'm sorry, man. My bad, bro. I was looking at this chart for a few minutes and I wasn't even showing it to you. I'm streaming. Yo, what's up, boys? Thanks for hanging out. This is actually, I haven't really streamed before, but I'm gonna start streaming daily, at least an hour a day. So if you're available, man, like come on and hang out and let's talk about meme coins, crypto coins. Let's do some charting, and just like gather information to help each other. You know, we're all here, guys, to make some money, to make a better life for ourselves and for our families, right? And that's why we're here, and we want to mitigate as much loss as possible, and find things that we can get into that pump. So, you know, for something like this, like me looking at Boys Club for the first time today, 7 million market cap, you got 771,000 liquidity. I would do more. I will be doing more research on this. Like, I'm gonna go through their Twitter. I'm gonna check out the community sentiment. I'm gonna check out the wallet, see the distribution of wallets. Check it out. We got no honeypot, contracts verified, no buy tax, 2% sell tax. I mean, it looks pretty good. But before I dive into any crypto, I like to put in, you know, at least 1 hour of research, at least. And then I'll just look at the chart. I'll keep an eye on it. Like right now, what I'll basically do is I'll just put a little trend line here, because I mean, there's not much history on these new coins. So I'll just kind of like start looking at it. I mean, we could go on the 4-hour chart because it's so new. You know, I don't like, for a lot of you guys, I don't know if you guys are short-term traders or long-term traders. Me, I'm looking for, like, I'm willing to hold a coin, that'll get into hundreds of millions and the $1 billion market cap. So, like for me with the Andy play, I'm willing to hold for 3, 6, 12 months. No problem. You know, I'm willing to watch it. I'm willing to hold it. I'm willing to DCA in to build a big bag where I can take out and you know, enjoy my profits. But I mean, this looks like it has a lot of volume. 428 volume. It's pretty much a new coin. I mean, it started on May 3rd. Nothing, 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 and then it started pumping here on, I would say, May 30th. We started to get a pump. Let's actually just, I don't usually play on the 4-hour charts. I'm a daily charter. Like I like to look at the daily chart, but I mean 4-hour, let's see if we can just do a fib retracement here and look at kind of from where the breakout was. Okay, so we got all the way up here. We're kind of bounced off the 618 a little bit. We pierced it, bounced off the 618. Now we're popping up. It could, we could go back up to the 50% mark right here at 9 cents. It's at 7 cents right now. It's up to you. I mean, anything you guys do, like you just do the research, make sure you're getting in at a level. Like this would have been a good level to get in at the 618 because we popped, come back down to the 618. But you never know. This is the 4-hour chart. It didn't confirm below and it didn't confirm above yet. So it could go either way at the moment. We don't know who's holding it, how many big whales you got in here looking to dump, right? You just got to be careful. You got to be careful on brand new coins. It's kind of why I like Andy, because it's been around for a while. You got a lot of volume, you got a lot of holders, and it's going up. All Andys. I like Andy on Blast as well. I mean, look at this. I was ready to pull the trigger yesterday. I got distracted. Somebody came over to fix my hot tub. I had to leave the computer, and then I come back, and it was like at 50% up, like literally like that. I was like, fuck. So, yeah, dudes. Yes, I believe so. What do you think about Andy on base? I like Andy on base. Like, that's one of my biggest positions. I got Brett 2 days ago. I don't want to miss the next coin. So, Marquise, I mean, my recommendation to you is make sure you do the research. Don't FOMO in. You need discipline. If you're a trader, if you're in meme coins, if you're in crypto, you're a trader. Okay. You need to have discipline. You need to learn technical analysis on the basic level. And I'm actually still learning. I've been in crypto since 2017. I've been actively trading for a little over 2 years now. And I'm still learning every single day. I'm still learning. I'm still improving. I also do leverage trading on Bybit. So I should have actually held on to this position I had in Caspa. I shorted it at the top. I made about $600 in 3 days just shorting this, but it would have been a $1,500 trade if I just held on. I changed my my take profit to a little higher at around 16.9, and then boom, it pierced it. It literally went through all the levels I had. It would have been an easy $1,200 trade for me. But yeah, let's take a look at my P&L here. Last 7 days. So I made 551 on this short. You can kind of see it right here. 55%. I actually filled at 17 when I literally had my positions at like 16.5 and 15, like right in here. It pierced it. I would have, but it's okay because there's always another trade. So I'm just kind of like waiting for the next setup. I've made $30,000 on a trade. When that Luna crashed, I was playing with it at the bottom. I longed it, made 30 G's, 33 G's overnight. Literally, it's fucking crazy. Like this is a crazy market, guys. But I believe, this next 18 months, if you hone your skills, if you practice, If you stay disciplined, you can make a lot of money from a little bit of money. And this is why I'm here. I'm here. I'm doing it. I'm doing this every day, so I figured I might as well stream for an hour or two a day just to like meet up with you guys, share alpha, help each other, show you what I'm doing. And you guys can even like comment like on the boys club thing. Like, what about boys club? Like, I haven't even looked at it. There's like thousands of coins out there. You can't like catch everything. This is why it's cool to stream with you guys. You guys can be like, hey, did you check out, you know, this coin or that coin? And I can check it out for you. And I would be like, maybe it'll be something we could hop in together. So Andy on ETH, not on Sol. So CC, like I'm in all four Andys: Sol, Blast, Ethereum, and Base. If you want to replay this video, like we went through all of them. So you might want to just replay super quickly and just like watch this video again later. I got the YouTube channel too. Do you want to make join stream sometime? Yeah, why not, bro? I'm gonna have to make sure I subscribe to you. Sayong. Where are you tuning in from, bro? Where are you guys tuning in from anyway? Just type in the chat. Let me know, like, where are you tuning in from? Kind of curious. Is it too late on Andy? It's never too late. And can I get in with my Phantom wallet? Well, I wouldn't buy it through your Phantom through any swap. I would never buy coins through any wallet swap. Like I got fucked up once on when I was swapping in MetaMask, because sometimes they'll dip into a pool with no liquidity. I literally lost $15,000 on a trade swapping in MetaMask like 2 years ago. I was farming. I was liquidity providing, putting money in pools on Ohm token. When Ohm token was fucking going nuts, I was making like $3,000 a day. And I wanted to cash some money out. I swapped it out in MetaMask, and my literally $15,000 like disappeared. Like never seen it again. It wasn't a hack. It was just selling into something that had no liquidity. Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah. You're making me hungry, man. I'm wanting some ribs. Andy on ETH, not so. The chart looks similar because of Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly what you're talking about, bro. Like, but yeah, Andy on ETH also looks pretty good. Amsterdam. Wow, Amsterdam. I'm over here in Hawaii, tuning in, hanging out with you guys. So yeah, guys. I mean, this is pretty cool. So I plan to stream live daily for about an hour or two. Go over like what I'm doing, what I'm looking at, and I'm way back in your stream. Oh shit. Yeah, man. These streaming softwares tend to have a lag. But there's going to be a lot of good alpha, guys. So don't forget to subscribe and check the links down below. If you're brand new, you want to get into crypto trading, check out my website, cryptowaters.com. I've been doing this for a while. I make some good gains on crypto. And if I can help you make gains as well, let's do it. Let's do it. I don't have a Discord or anything. Maybe later in the future, once this stream starts pumping up with more homies, then maybe we can set some things up. But as of now, man, I'm busy with so many other things. So let's take a look at so boys club, I don't know. Dear Coin Market Cap, we've been waiting for the listing for almost a month now. It looks like they want to get on Coin Market Cap. Strong community, strong future. 21 likes. Not a lot of engagement on Twitter. I like to get into things where you got a good amount of engagement. And just be careful of all these scams, guys. There's like a lot of scams going on. You know, never click links, never hook up to giveaways. Most likely, you know, they're all scams. So just be careful. Let's check out the website. boysclubbase.org, where memes meet friendship and perfect harmony. Step into the world of Pepe, Andy, Brett, Bird Dog, and Land Wolf. So I don't know what the unique proposition is for the boys club. There should be something where if you own any of 100 million tokens, liquidity pool, pre-sale, burn treasury, team, marketing. It would be cool if they had something where you can stake your based Brett and based Andy or based whatever to earn yield, like a boys club yield. Like I don't know what these guys are doing yet. Like if you guys know any alpha on this, like type it down below, let me know. But I don't know what these guys are doing. Just based off this website, it just looks like it doesn't really look like much. Maybe I have to watch a YouTube video or two. So I'll take a look at this, guys, and I'll report back to you on the boys club. But thanks for pointing that out. Marquis says, how do you suggest I get Andy? I do have a couple videos on my channel, bro, on how to buy Andy on base and blast. So kind of like take a look at my other videos. I'm not sure which one you want to get. I think you want to get Andy on base, right? So basically, you just go to Uniswap. Share one of my other screens here. You go to Uniswap. Okay, you connect your wallet, and you basically, well, this is I'm on Ethereum. You go to base, right? You need to bridge to base first, and you basically can do that using bridge.base.org. You hook up. You can use, you know, Super Bridge or Bird. This is a new one. I actually never used that one before. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's go to Bridge. Super chain bridges. So yeah, I would just pick one of these to check out Super Bridge. I think I use Super Bridge. So you got your ETH in your wallet, right? I like Rabby Wallet. I stopped using MetaMask a while ago. I like Rabby Wallet. So you basically connect from Ethereum to base, right? So you send your ETH from Ethereum to base. Once it's there, you go to Uniswap, hook up, make sure this is on base, and then you grab the contract. So what I like to do is I'll basically find Andy on, what is this? This is Andy. No. So we'll go back here. We'll go back here. Andy on base. I'm thinking you want Andy on base. Shit. I don't have it because we'll just type it in here. So you basically look, this is the Brett. You basically grab the contract from here, right? From the official Dex Tools or Dex Screener. And then you type that into, you just literally paste it in like this. And then you're gonna know. I don't think it's gonna show because this is the based Brett. I gotta click over to base. I gotta switch to base, right? And then you type in, you know, that's the Andy right there. Oh, that's Brett. Actually, that's Brett. So this is my Brett position. But you'll just type that in and then you basically swap it out just like that. Super easy. Yeah, I wouldn't. I don't know, bro. Like, I wouldn't buy it through your Phantom wallet. Well, if you're using Phantom, that's Solana, bro. Are you looking to get Solana? So if you're gonna get Andy on Solana, just go to Radium or Jupiter. Bonnie Lee, what do you want to ask me? Can you teach us how to buy it? Buy what? What coin? Bonnie Lee, what coin do you want to learn how to buy? Type it in the chat. Let me know. Also, type in where you're tuning in from for show. Type in where you're tuning in from. Oh. Yeah, guys. So I'm in my cool ass 40-foot bus. Check it out. I got another computer screen right here. And all I do is trade all day. Actually, I have other online businesses, but this is like one of my outlets. I love trading. I love like getting into memes and all that. It's amazing. No, I'm new to this, but is it a difference between them? Yes, absolutely. There's like a difference. You need to know what Andy coin you want to get. And like for me, I would say if you want to get in, I say they all look good, but if you want to get in with the highest potential, I think get Andy on base. Um, if you're playing with a large capital bag, you could put some in Ethereum. If you're playing with smaller bags, I would go in Solana, Andy on Solana, and Andy on Blast. And basically, all these chains you basically have to bridge over. So you have to bridge over to Blast if you want to buy Andy on Blast. You have to bridge over to Base. I just showed you how to do that. Okay, by bridging. And then Solana, you can just basically buy it on a swap like Solana Radium here. So if you guys are brand new to crypto and you really don't know much about crypto, I highly suggest you to go to my website, cryptowaters.com. Like click that link, guys, and like go there and just like sign up. Here's the link. I'll show you what it looks like. I also have a private community where I basically share all my alpha plays and everything that we're getting into and how to really take advantage of this crypto market. So basically just put your name and email information here, and there's going to be a 1 hour training on crypto and how you can start doing this. So if you're brand new and you don't know, like I have a members area, guys, where I take you through every step. Like it's very hard to be doing it over and over on stream like this with you guys. But if you guys check out my members area, then you're going to absolutely love it. Can you teach us how to buy it? So Barney Lee, I'm not sure what you want me to teach you to buy. You got to be a little bit more specific. And you're asking what are the best 4 meme coins? Are you asking best 4 meme coins from Andy, like on the chains, like what Andy I like, or because this is basically an Andy show, right? We're talking about Andy only, or are you talking about crypto in general, like overall? Because to me, like if you want to look at the top memes, all you got to do is go to CoinGecko. Okay, go to the home page. You guys are watching my screen, right? Let me know feedback down below. Wow, Landwolf is actually, let me check this out. Landwolf, what Landwolf is this? Landwolf on Ethereum. I have Landwolf on AVAX, on Avalanche. I never got, yo, this is pumping. Landwolf is looking good on ETH. I got to keep my eye on this trade. But here, you go to CoinGecko, okay? You look at cryptocurrencies by category. Are you guys, dude, are you guys like able to see my screen okay? Is this shit lagging or are we good? And then you go down, select memes. And then you can kind of see the top memes. Okay, so Dogecoin is the biggest with a $21 billion market cap. You got Shiba Inu, which is at a 13 billion. You got Pepe at 5 billion, Floki 2 billion, Dog with Hat. So these are the biggest market cap coins. That doesn't mean you're going to make the most amount of money if you invest in these, because I mean, how much more is the upside? Like if Dogecoin goes to 100 million, I mean, you're only getting a 5x from here. You know, versus getting into Brett at 1.5 billion, okay, which can potentially get to 20 billion. You know, or 15 billion would be a 10x from here. So wouldn't you want to rather get into a lower market cap coin? That's the way to make money, is to get into lower cap coins that have much more potential on the upside. So this is why I like Andy, because we're at a $40 million market cap from Brett, $40 million market cap. And this literally just took off literally within a month. Like I remember Brett at 300 million. I think I got in at around 300 million. And it's up 4x since I got in. Okay. So those are the things you want to think about. Right. So anyway, these are the top market cap coins. Okay. Andy's not even here, which is a good sign. Like you want to get into things that are not even here. This is Andy on ETH. I mean, Andy on ETH is moving on up. It wasn't even here before. It wasn't even on the first page. And here we are at a $232 million market cap, up 10% in the past hour. So that's pretty much it. You want to get behind coins. Look at this. So the Andrew Tate coins are really starting to go nuts. Anyway. All right, guys. I'm going to call it a day for today. I'm not sure how long we're streaming so far. But guys, thank you for tuning in. 10 people on. Oh, yeah. Make sure you guys subscribe. Click the links down below. Don't forget to go to cryptowaters.com. If you're brand new to crypto, you want to make money with crypto, check out my website. I do this daily, and I figured, hey, I might as well stream. Why not? Show you what I'm looking into, what coins I'm invested in. Potentially, once I get into some other leverage trades, I'll show you what I'm doing. But right now, I'm not in any trades at the moment. I had a busy vacation the past couple weeks. I'm just getting back to everything. And we went on a family Norwegian cruise, and then I was in the Philippines for a couple of weeks. I just got back literally. And yeah, dude, just chilling. So comment down below, guys. Let me know what's going on. Peace out. I'll see you tomorrow around the same time. We'll be streaming for about an hour or so, give or take. And hit the like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Peace out. Peace, guys. Thanks for tuning in. All right.